welcome back to this new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the collections in your grid or big site. So let's say, for example, if you added 3 products and if you want to separate it into some categories, so there is option of collections that you can set. So I'll show you what the collection looks like. If you go to this window, after clicking on manage products, this window open. Here there are collections. As you can see, currently there are 3 collections, all products, and there are all products in URLs, special edition. So create new collection, we can just click on this, name the collection whatever you want, and then add products. Add products like this. That's it. So now to add this collection to some of the grid, the product grid or the widget, let me show you how you can do it. So this is a product widget. So just click on this, and if you want to show a particular category, click on that. All products, now it will show all products collection 1, the one we have created right now. We added 4 products, will show right here. We click on new arrivals. So now only the products from new arrivals which will be shown here. So this is about it. I hope you understood. Thanks for watching.